Hi guys, this is Sarah from the blog Look What I Made, and today I'm gonna show you what you can do with your vases that you actually want to throw out because they're ugly AF, but with this trick you're not gonna do it because you can create these cute little things that just look adorable, well, in my opinion, adorable, with their faces and the flowers as their crown. I have a second one so you can see what it will look like. So let's get started. I have here the vases that they don't look nice anymore. They are full of paint. I spray painted it once and yeah, the color, I put them in the dishwasher and yeah, the color was gone. So basically those are the vases that I actually would throw out. I mean, they're not broken or anything, but they're kind of dirty. So I'm gonna use this, and then first we need some primer, and we're gonna start with that one. I'm gonna start with one of those vases. Let's do this one. I'm gonna apply the primer with a sponge so I don't get streaks, hopefully. So let's do that. So this should be the trick. Now let's let that dry. So this is all dry now. I put it in the sun for a minute and it dried really quickly. So this is all ready to go, and now we need to mix the actual paint that goes in here. So I need some, a container, got this glass container, some baking powder, some paint. I've got here this like tester of wall paint. It's gray. I'm not sure about the color, so I might make that brighter with white. And yeah, then what else do I need? Another sponge so I can paint it on. So let's mix this together. So I don't know how much of this baking powder I need. So let's start with a lot. It should get fizzy now, so let's see. Now we need to let that dry as well, and in the meantime I'm gonna make myself a coffee. There was a great coffee break. Now it's all dry and all that's left to do is paint the face. So I got here my little cup to mix it, or actually I'm not gonna mix the paint. So I got here my little glass cup, is it a cup? A brush and some black paint. Maybe I don't even need this. Let's try. So I hope you liked this idea of how I upcycled these vases, and if you did so, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna share some more DIYs here on this YouTube channel. And otherwise, just look on my blog, lookwhatimade.com. You can find some more DIY ideas there. So see you soon.